My son begged me for this Pokemon Advent Calendar. So let me show you what you get. It comes in this beautiful box here. And on the back side, it talks about what comes in it, which is quite a variety of surprises for the 25 days. You get foils with festive stamps, booster packs, fun packs, coins, sticker sheets, and a sidekick dangler. And here's what it looks like when you pull it out of the box. The calendar is folded up. So you just open it up and then you have a real deal advent calendar. And if you look closely, you can see the tabs where you pull for each day. And they just count down. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down the line. And I'm gonna see if I can check what's in here without destroying it for my son by opening the top. So if I open the top of each section, I can actually see the surprises he's going to get. Here's day 1. The holiday themes are obvious. Day 2 is a booster pack. Day 3 is this keychain. I have a fusion booster pack, Scarlet and Violet booster pack. On day 11, you get this pack of stickers. Now let's open up the other side. Second half of the month has a lot more booster pack, generic holiday stickers mixed with some more Pokemon holiday stickers. So quite a lot of booster packs, a lot of opportunity for surprise. I do love the holiday themed cards throughout, and this final one is pretty great. I know my son's gonna be absolutely thrilled with this advent calendar, and I like that it does have holiday theme. Even the back is really quite cool, so this can sit out on our table during the holidays and not be too heavily Pokemon. I appreciate that. A really impressive advent calendar.